What's going on, y'all? JT here with a quick look at some of these GensAce bashing series lipos that they have. I'll put a link down in the description so you guys can check out their site and see some of the other lipos that they offer too. I got here 2 3S's, and then I also have a 4S down there. And one of the reasons for the 4S is because I run a lot of 4S's in my Team Corrali trucks. Those things are fast enough on 4S as they are. So I'll be interested to put this in one of those trucks like my Punisher or something and run that on 4S as well. And then I got other 4S running cars. And then there are 3S's. I got these because they're going to run good in my armor cars and some of my Traxxas cars as well. And I got 2 of them so that I can also run them in my Felony, Limitless, etc., cars that kind of run 2 batteries as well. So these are actually packed pretty good. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description because they have several types in there. This is, as you guys can see there, a 3S 6800 milliamp 120C lipo. Now I have their 6S lipo that I've been running. It's actually been doing pretty good as well. I mean, I think it charges to, it charges at least, I'd say about another 1,000 or so above the milliamp that's rated on the actual package, and I'm pretty sure these do the same thing as well. So I'll try to record that, show that to you guys, what these actually charge to after I get through running them. But this is one of them here, and you guys see these boxes are actually pretty cool. I may have to keep these. And then there's another 3S here, and I'll get my balance checker out to check those, and these do have IC or EC5 type connectors on there for this one. And then this should be the 4S in here. And here is the 4S right here. These batteries are pretty heavy. This is a 6800 milliamp, so this should actually be pretty good in there. So you guys kind of see the size comparison. It's almost the same length as the 3S, but it is going to be, of course, this is a 4S. It does have more cells in here and stuff as well. So let me get my balance check real quick, and we're going to just give these a quick check. And then I'm going to get these charged up over the next couple of days. And when I run them in cars, I'll let you guys know. But there's always links in the description when I talk about it, when I run them in particular cars as well. But I am curious of running 2 of these together. And I'll probably run them in my Felony converted Corvette first, just to get those out and running. And then I'm definitely going to be running this in my Punisher. Or, yeah, I'll probably run this in my Punisher, because I haven't run that Punisher in a minute. So I'll definitely get this in there and get that running as well. So let me get this balance checker real quick. All right, so you guys see there, one of the cells is 3.8, so that's pretty well in a good storage mode. The second one, 3.8, 3.81, and then let's check this 4S real quick as well. And the 4S, you guys see that well. So they're pretty much in a good storage mode as well. So I'm going to get these up and running really soon and then test these in a couple of cars. And I'll probably test these against some of their other ones as well. I do have one of their, I think I got one of the 3S's in there still. And I got a couple of the 6S's as well. So I may do a parallel test between the 2. But this is kind of their bashing series. The material on these casings is a little bit stronger than their normal ones. Matter of fact, I think I may have one. Let me go get one real quick. All right, so I do have one of their 3S's there, and you guys kind of see how these are wrapped. This comes more, this is like a hard case lipo, and it does help protect the battery a little bit more as well. And you guys see there's a differences in the C rating. GensAce always did like probably like a 50 or 60 C. And then these are rated at, you guys see they're 120C. So it is a higher C rating, and it does have a better protective casing around the battery to protect the battery when you're out there running and bashing and stuff. It's probably a little bit splash resistant, so if you get a little water, you don't have to worry about it. I know that when I run these, it's a little bit wet outside. I usually try to wrap these up, and sometimes if it gets a little damp in there and stuff, I do have to clean that out. But these can protect a little bit more against water and stuff like that. I will be doing some mud bogging and stuff pretty soon, because it's been raining a lot in Georgia, so I can definitely use these for that. But anyway, guys, I wanted to show this to you guys. Like I said, there's a link down in the description if you guys are interested in checking some of these out and purchasing some of them as well. And they do have particular coupon codes on their site too, you guys can check out and see. So anyway, put your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.